Hello class 10. Once again I am here, Anju Sinha here with you, and with chapter 1 called development. So in my previous last video I discussed with you that we have mix of goals, means a person or any people, they do not think or they do not ask one thing only from development. If they means income is of course very important thing, but not only income. It gives us material pleasure, but what about non material things that we would also like, and that increases or improves the quality of our life. So other things are also very important. So now I will discuss with you that what are the other things, non material things, which we cannot measure, but it adds quality and it is equally important. For example, ki suppose if I have got a job and got an opportunity to join there, we do not see or see the salary only, because salary may be more or less, but if other things are not present, opportunities, freedom, scope for promotion, etc., then we would not like to go for more salary, go towards more salary, because more salary will not give us opportunity, better environment, conducive atmosphere, etc. So there are so many things which we cannot measure, but it adds value and it is equally important, like income. So income is not the only thing, as World Bank has defined that income or average income is the main criteria under which the countries are compared, and they have called rich countries or poor countries, or in four different types the economies have been divided. So now we are going to learn how to compare different countries and what criteria has been used by World Bank as well as by UNDP or United Nations Development Program of United Nations. World Bank, which was formed in the year 1944-45 after the Second World War, and it was an organization, and its headquarters is in Washington DC. In my today's class, online class, I also gave you or passed some slides showing you the about World Bank and UNDP, or what is the main difference between the World Bank and UNDP in using the criteria to measure development. World Bank has said that average income or per capita income is the only criteria to measure development. But UNDP says that to know the people's development, or only income will not give them everything. So other things also very important, which improves the quality of the people. And what are the other things? It is the life expectancy. Life expectancy is the expected length of life that a person is going to live, which is decided at the time of the birth in a particular country, suppose in India, and it depends on the health facilities which is present in the country. In India, what is the health facilities available for the citizen, it decides that how much a person is or is going to live, and it is defined at the time of the birth. Second thing is literacy rate, यानी net attendance ratio, which is also very important, because our person, what he is going to earn, he or she will earn in the society, it is decided or determined by the education. More educated you become, more your value in the market will increase, and you will start earning more. You will have more opportunity or more options. So to compare different countries or states, development mean different things. But how some countries are generally developed and others are underdeveloped. So World Bank has used per capita income to say this. Usually we take one or more important characteristics of persons and compare them based on these characteristics. What is average income? We have already discussed that it is calculated after dividing the total income of the country by the total number of people living there. Next thing is in World Development Report prepared by UNDP, Human Development Index और रिपोर्ट, जिसमें कि इकोनॉमीज़ को हम लोग 4 कैटेगरी में नहीं डिवाइड करते हैं, बल्कि हम लोग कंट्रीज़ को रैंकिंग देते हैं, रैंक देते हैं कि ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द लिटरेसी एंड हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल इन दैट कंट्री, एंड ऑफ कोर्स पर कैपिटा इनकम इज़ ऑल्सो सीन, कि these are the 3 important criteria which make the country developed or underdeveloped, and on the basis of these 3 criteria Human Development Index is given or it is performed. Okay, so next class I will discuss with you ki how to compare and why and what are the limitations of average income. Thank you.